A major mortgage settlement has been reached in response to improper foreclosure practices by the nation's 5 largest lenders. The lenders involved include Bank of America, JP Chase, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, and Ally Financial. 49 states will get part of roughly $25 billion to compensate victims of foreclosure abuse. The money will help refinance and pay off some of their home loans. The deal affects loans from 2008 through last year. About $140 million will be coming to our state in Wisconsin, which the governor says will be put to good use.
Or be it individuals who are currently facing challenges because of that, have not fully been foreclosed upon but are facing those challenges. This is good news for them in particular because this will help them get back up on their feet again.
And this settlement could be helping hundreds of homeowners in northeast Wisconsin who are facing mortgage crises.
So how does the settlement work? How could you find out if you qualify? Fox 11's Laura Smith takes a closer look.
Home foreclosures remain an issue in northeast Wisconsin.
Hundreds of area families are at risk of foreclosure or somewhere in the foreclosure process where there's been a filing or they're headed towards the auction, the sheriff's sale.
Some relief is on the way. The nationwide mortgage settlement forces the 5 largest mortgage lenders to reduce loans.
There'll be more resources available for families who are underwater where they've got the house, they maybe can afford the payments on the thing, but they haven't been able to refinance to some of these low rates that we've got today.
Of the $140 million Wisconsin will receive, about $60 million in benefits will come from loan modifications and other direct relief. About $17 million will go to people whose homes were foreclosed on and suffered servicing abuses between 2008 and the end of last year. Around $31 million will be available in refinancing benefits, and about $31.6 million will be used for future lawsuits and additional relief to borrowers. Borrowers should contact their mortgage lender for details about how to qualify. The deal also promises to reshape long-standing mortgage lending guidelines. It will make it easier for those who are at risk of foreclosure to make their payments and keep their homes.
It's definitely a start in the right direction for our clients.
Foreclosure attorney Mike Demareth says the program will help homeowners who have been trying to work with mortgage lenders without success.
There's supposed to be one main contact that you would deal with, so you're not talking to a different person all the time. Also, they actually have to give you a response in a timely manner and before they actually do the foreclosure.
One lender involved in the settlement, Wells Fargo, says it acknowledges the missteps it made. The company adds it is already making changes as part of the agreement.
We encourage them to call us today. We can start to look at if there are options that might be available, and when the new programs become, or the expanded programs are available starting March 1st, we will look at them to determine if they may qualify for those as well.
In Green Bay, Laura Smith, Fox 11 News.
Neighborhood Works Green Bay is also warning homeowners about scams that may arise from this mortgage settlement. They say if somebody initiates the contact to you to try to help with your mortgage, you want to make sure that they are a housing and urban development certified counseling agency, and also make sure Neighbor Works says that you're not paying any fees. If you think you've been affected by this settlement or could qualify, we have compiled a list of mortgage settlement resources online. You'll also find a national timeline of the events leading up to the deal at fox11online.com. Just click on the Economy tab.